What's the big deal with NFTs? We hear everywhere that NFTs have taken the world by storm, but few people know really what the big deal is with them. Why have they become so popular? Why are celebrities and millionaires buying them for millions of dollars? All of these questions will be answered in this video. But before moving forward, let me welcome you all to another video on my channel, Crypto Wisdom, where we'll be doing educational videos on NFTs and cryptocurrency for everyone, so that you can understand them easily. And after watching the video, if you like our channel, please subscribe and share it with others. So, let's start the video without any further delay. We all know that people pay millions of dollars for NFTs. While some are good art, others are pixelated drawings that a 10-year-old can make. As a result, the question is, who pays for the most expensive NFTs on the market, and why? It's critical to understand the psychology behind these purchases and whether there's another reason for this as well. So let's take a deep dive into the world of NFTs and learn everything there is to know. Have you ever imagined yourself purchasing JPEG files online? NFTs, on the other hand, have made this possible through the use of blockchain to verify your identity and give you ownership of the NFT you purchase. NFTs have been a boom to artists, providing them with a new way to reach the entire world and sell their artwork for millions of dollars. Allow me to give you an example. Assume you have a Pokemon card that you want to trade with your friends. After trading, you will undoubtedly receive a different card, and whatever you receive will be unique and irreplaceable. Unlike cryptocurrencies, where one ETH can be exchanged for BTC and then swapped back for ETH, NFTs do not allow this. This is in fact their primary unique selling point. The whole idea is to own a digital asset that doesn't exist elsewhere, but only with you. Just like a custom-made Ferrari with the copyright of its design to never be made again. Then paying a few $1 million for NFTs was the one thing. But paying $69.3 million for Beppel's artwork was another. It was once the most expensive NFT ever sold and was expected to stay that way for a long time. Beppel, the artist behind the painting, created this NFT by stitching together 5,000 artworks, representing 5,000 days of work. This is truly a masterpiece, and the price is reasonable for an enthusiast. Vignesh Sundarasan bought the NFT. He revealed that the purchase was made to demonstrate to Indians that they could be enthusiasts and was interested in this field. Vignesh also stated that this is a shift in how art will be perceived in the future, and he didn't want to pass up the chance to be a part of it. He understands that it may take some time for people to realize the value of this purchase, but they will do so eventually. Another intriguing fact about this purchase is that Justin Sun, the creator of Tron blockchain, took part in the bidding. His bid was the second highest at $60.3 million until Sundarasan stepped in at the last minute. Do you understand the fact here? Like they want to own something that no other person can have. It's like a super expensive and super rare thing too. On the other hand, we can say that CryptoPunks breathe new life into NFTs. They've grown in popularity to the point where 5 of the top 10 NFTs sold are CryptoPunks. They are 10,000 distinct characters based on the Ethereum blockchain. CryptoPunks are widely traded, and their unique selling point is their limited nature and an enormous fame. They're all generated at random and were not created by anyone. The first and most expensive of the 10,000 units, CryptoPunk number 7523, sold for $11.8 million. It was purchased by Shalom McKenzie, the largest shareholder in DraftKings. When interviewed, he said that CryptoPunks were symbolic of the popularity of NFTs, which is why he had to make the purchase. If you look at the picture carefully, it also has a mask that symbolizes the COVID outbreak. Are you relating to the story now? Can you see what attracts them to NFTs? Finally, we can say that we've all wondered why wealthy people spend millions on NFTs. They're obviously not stupid, otherwise they would not be wealthy. Most are in this marketplace because they believe someone will buy their NFT for a much higher price than they're currently receiving. This was regarded as a significant assumption because there was no way of knowing whether or not this thing would occur. However, it occurs within minutes, if not seconds, of being listed on any marketplace. The pandemic is another apparent reason for JPEGs being worth millions and sold to celebrities. For a long time, the wealthy people have spent their money on art, and for the most part, they've stood the test of time, preserving the value of money. When crypto became the new hype during the pandemic, NFTs became a temporary replacement for physical art. It was strange how anyone could sell anything as an NFT, and if people saw value in it, they would pay to own it. This is what created a massive hype for NFTs, and they were being perceived as modern art and as a replacement for physical art in some cases, as people now buy them and then print them to put them on their walls. Moving on, Many things are assumed in the case of NFTs. A pixelated cartoon character or CryptoPunks that are considered valuable now is unlikely to retain its value in the future. This is why the question of whether NFTs are here to stay arises. Many people claim that they're in a bubble because of the extreme prices, but it would have burst by now if this were a bubble. People have claimed that NFTs are in a bubble, but this does not necessarily imply that they are worthless. They are vital to the buyer. As the concept of owning a video clip of an NBA shot may be meaningless to many, it can be precious to a fan who can afford it. In the case of artworks created by famous artists, the value of the NFT is determined by who created it, such as the famous artist Beppel. Brand value significantly impacts what is sold and for how much. As a result, most NFTs we hear about are from well-known individuals. To put it another way, the value of NFTs is personal and cannot be precisely measured in any index or chart. There is even another more significant trend that people who buy popular or expensive NFTs put it in as a profile picture over their Facebook and Twitter accounts. And guess what I've seen? People putting it in a locket to wear to show off, just like it was once a time of showing off your expensive sneakers, Rolex watch, Lamborghinis, and other stuff like that. But allow me to give you another example. Assume you're a big football fan and Messi is your favorite player. Let's say his club issues an NFT with the player's top 5 goals in the video format. An NFT could be sold for millions of dollars, and if you had the money, you might have bought it as well. However, if the same NFT belonged to a different player or different sport, it would not appear to be as valuable to you. This is why some people are willing to pay millions for NFTs while some see no value in them. And it's not just a trend of Bored Ape Yacht Club or CryptoPunks. It changes every week or every month, you can say. It was a time for Bored Ape Yacht Club and then for punks, and now moonbirds are the most famous in town, and some people even flip their famous NFTs for the latest ones, like selling your CryptoPunks for the latest of moonbirds. Now guys, if you need more crypto education, click on the videos showing to you on the screen. We do educational videos on cryptocurrency for everyone so that you can understand them easily. See you in the next video, and until then, subscribe and enable all notifications. Thank you.